What's up, you beautiful people? Bringing you a GoPro unboxing of this protective lens replacement for the HERO7 Black. If you scratch up your lens, it's good. You can utilize this. Shields the interior lens of your GoPro from dirt, dust, and scratches. It includes protective lens replacements. Compatible with HERO7 Black, and it has various other languages as well. So let's go ahead and just see what we get with this. Now the HERO8, can't use this with because HERO8 is just one big unit. And looks like that's it, nothing else. Thanks for watching, guys. That's your lens right here. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you want to see more videos. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below.